everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today we're going to make brownies from a chocolate cake mix with just 4 ingredients. I love this recipe because I don't always have a brownie mix on hand, but I can easily use a cake mix to make a batch of brownies when I'm craving them. If you like food, you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new recipes. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 chocolate cake mix, 1/2 cup of softened or melted butter, 3 eggs, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Begin by adding the cake mix, the softened or melted butter, and the eggs to a large bowl. Mix the ingredients by hand with a wooden spoon or use an electric mixer. The batter will be very thick. Next, stir in the chocolate chips. Spray a 9-inch by 13-inch pan with nonstick spray or use an 8 by 8-inch pan for thicker brownies. Pour the very thick batter into the bottom of the pan. The batter may not fill up the entire bottom of the pan, but it will spread out as it bakes. Bake the brownies at 350 degrees for 26 to 30 minutes, then remove when a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Allow the brownies to cool on a cooling rack, then top with frosting or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. I hope you like these cake mix brownies and make them often because they are so easy. The full recipe will be in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com, where you'll find even more easy and delicious recipes. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.